Hi, Steve Hathaway from Young Ocean Explorers, and I just want to share you one of the most amazing features on our site, youngoceanexplorers.com, and that's the feature that allows you to create your very own unique assignments using the many hours of video, polls, and quizzes on the site. So here we go. I'm going to show you how to use this. And teachers use this in many different ways, and it's used all around the world, and for teachers that know about it, it's hugely popular. But the reason I'm showing you that is that there's the amount of teachers that use our site, which is a lot of them don't know how to use this. So that's what I'm going to show you now. So I'm going to go to menu. Before I do that, up the top here is a teacher-parent video, and that shows you how you can use different features on the site. Okay, so we're going to go menu. The first thing I'm going to show you is index, and the reason being is all the content on the site is tagged according to the index. So we've got adaptation, apex predator, biosecurity, breath, camouflage, conservation, coral reef, etc. Okay, so let's go back menu. Now we're going to classroom. Now the classroom, this is where the assignments are. So we have a number of publicly made assignments that you can use. Marine pests, Maui dolphins, beat plastic pollution. Beat plastic pollution is probably the most popular one. And this, you just grab that passcode there, your kids will put it in here, start assignment, and that's all they can do on the site until they end the assignment. Okay, now you want to be able to create your own assignment. This is where it gets really cool. So you go menu, classroom, and we'll click on the assignments tab. What we're going to do is create new assignment. I'm going to type in AAA. Public description is what your children and students will be seeing. Private notes, you might be highly organized. This might be a month in advance. You want to remember how you're going to fit this into the inquiry and what your thought processes are. So there it is there. Now, the reason I showed you index is this is where the search bar comes into play. So I'm going to type in apex predator because I know that's in the index. I love apex predators, do a lot of filming with them. And I'm going to click on, here's a preview. You can preview any of the content. Do fish eat meatballs? Sounds very intriguing.
Striped marlin often hunt with other marlin.
I love that. I love marlin. I am going to click that. So I've added that. Now, Dr. Ingrid Visser answers our questions about orca. I've worked with Ingrid for numerous years, and I filmed orca a lot, so I love that. I'm going to click that as well. There's normally a plus button on the side, and for some reason it hasn't got it at the moment. You'll see down the middle here is how long each of these bits of content are. So that's going to help you so you can do your planning as well. We've got a whole lot of learn to draw videos. Here's a learn to draw orca, which is 11 minutes 29. Ingrid's was 16 minutes. So let's click that. And I'm going to go down, click a poll, click a quiz, and scroll up to the top. I have got 5 items. Now what I want to do is this learn to draw video, I probably want to have that at the end of the lesson. So let's draw that down to the bottom. You just grab the number, pull it down. Now I'm going to press save. Okay, we've created our own assignment. That's how easy it is. There's your unique code. Give that to your students. They'll click into join class, put it into the menu. So here I am. I'm going to go menu, classroom, assignments, there we are, AAA. I'm going to go for a preview. It's 32 minutes, 55 seconds long. Currently we've completed 0 out of 5. We'll have a little green tick once you've gone and watched something and completed it. And the way the students, once they finish, they press end assignment, then they can scroll through and have a look at the rest of the site. So, hey, enjoy that. The site's been used by a lot of people around the world. The assignment functionality, once it is found, it is absolutely loved. Go for gold, have fun, and thanks for watching. See you later.